Well, South Wales Police is committed to keeping our community safe, and a high priority for ourselves is protecting those that are vulnerable. One of the main issues for us currently is webcam-enabled blackmail, otherwise known as sextortion. This is a crime committed by organised crime groups outside of the UK who are targeting our family and friends over the internet. The main thing for us now is to ensure that the victims have an awareness of what they should and shouldn't do. The method used by these organised crime groups is very simple. They lure their victims in front of a webcam to perform sexual acts. Before that, there is a conversation on media such as Facebook, which then turns to that of a sexual nature very quickly, and there's a suggestion to use a webcam-enabled platform such as Skype, and almost immediately when the sexual act is performed, there's a demand for money. And the demand for money is such that it creates panic and embarrassment. The main thing is that there's a threat that the recording is going to be played on YouTube or Facebook or the like. This is where we come in as South Wales Police. The advice is firstly, look at your privacy settings on any online activity. Secondly, have an acute awareness of who you're engaging with online. There's people out there who are willing to do anything to extort money. Lastly, and these are the three key things, do not panic, do not pay, and do not engage further with these criminals. It's very simple. Report them out at the South Wales Police, and our trained officers will make contact with you to provide you with support, guidance, and keep you safe.